Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dubai baklava. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 pound of phyllo dough, 2 cups of mixed nuts, and 1 cup of melted butter. You'll also need to prepare a simple syrup using 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Having everything at room temperature will make the assembly process much smoother and prevent the phyllo from tearing. Now, let's begin layering. Start by generously brushing a 9x 13-inch baking pan with melted butter. Carefully lay 1 sheet of phyllo dough into the pan, then brush it with butter. Repeat this process until you've used exactly half of your phyllo sheets. Once your base layers are complete, evenly spread your 2 cups of finely chopped nuts over the buttered phyllo. Next, cover the nuts with the remaining phyllo sheets, brushing each one with butter just as before. Once all layers are in place, use a sharp knife to carefully cut the baklava into your desired shapes, typically 1.5-inch diamonds or squares. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. As soon as the baklava comes out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled simple syrup evenly over the hot pastry. This temperature difference is crucial for proper absorption. Let the baklava sit for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to fully soak up the syrup and develop its rich flavor. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Dubai baklava.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.